யா இப்போ எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஆடிபிளாக இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். வெரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் டு டெஸ்ட் பப்ளிக்கில் போட்டோமா வீடியோவை போட்டோம். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் அன்பிளக் கேமர். ஏன்னா நிறைய நாள் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லைவ் போகிறதே வந்து வாய்ஸ் கேட்கல. ஐம் ரியலி சாரி ஜேவி. இப்போ தான் பார்த்தேன், ஆக்சுவலாக மைக் மியூட்டில் இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ இப்போ வந்து ஆன் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஸோ நீங்கள் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க ஜேவி? ரொம்ப முக்கியமான டாபிக். ஹேர் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட் யாரெல்லாம் பண்ண போகிறீங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியமான டாபிக். ஹேர் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட் யார் பண்ணி ஆஹா ப்ரோ என்னோட டோனர் டேமேஜ் எப்படி ஒரு கொஞ்சம் வித்தியாசமாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அவங்களுக்குமே ரொம்ப முக்கியமான டாபிக். ஸோ எல்லாருமே தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். பேசிக்காக ஹேர் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட் அப்படின்னு போனாலே நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன் நீங்கள் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க அன்பிளக் கேமர். ஹேர் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட் அப்படின்னு ஒரு விஷயம் நீங்கள் போனாலே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஒரு டாப்பிக்கை கடந்து உங்களால் வர முடியாது. ஏன்னா நிறைய ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ஸ் நிறைய விதமாக வந்து சூப்பராக வந்து தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் அன்பிளக் கேமர். நிறையா ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ஸ் வந்து சரியான டெக்னீஷியன்ஸ் சரியான எக்ஸ்பர்ட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணதுனால நிறைய விஷயங்களில் வந்து மக்களை வந்து பாதிக்கப்பட்டாங்க. இன்ஃபேக்ட் என்னென்னா வந்து இது மக்களுக்கு தெரியல, இது வந்து அந்த ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் தப்பாக பண்ணிட்டாங்க, இதனால் அவங்களுக்கு பின்னாடி பிரச்சனை வரும், இதனால் எதுக்காக அவங்க அந்த ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் தேடி வந்தாங்களோ அதுக்காகவே வேறு ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் தேடி போகிற மாதிரி இருக்கும் அப்படின்ற விஷயங்கள் தெரியலை. பிகாஸ் டோனர் டேமேஜ் ஷுட் நாட் பி டேக்கன் ஸோ சிம்பிளர். எனக்கு கூட இன்ஃபேக்ட் நான் வந்து ஐ கேன் ரியலி ஸ்பீக் டு மை செல்ஃப். ஏன்னா எனக்கு ஒரு குட்டியான இடத்துல இங்கே சென்டர் ஆஃப் த ஹெட்டில் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் அதிகமாக எடுத்திருக்க மாதிரி எனக்கு ஒரு ஃபீல் இருக்கும் எப்போயுமே. இப்போ வரைக்குமே வந்து சிலர்கிட்ட வந்து நான் கேட்பேன், இது வந்து டோனர் டேமேஜா இல்லை ஓவர் எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன் என்ன அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. சரி, அகைன் ஓவரால் என்னோட ஹேர் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட் வந்து சூப்பராக இருந்தாலும் யூ கேன் சி மை டென்சிட்டி ரொம்பவே அழகாக சூப்பராக பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. டெஃபினெட்லி அதில் வந்து எந்த குறைபாடுகளுமே இல்லை. பட் எண்ட் ஆஃப் த டே அருண் விஜய், கண்டிப்பாக அருண் விஜய். பட் யா இந்த சேனல் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஹேர் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட் பற்றி எலெக்ஷன் பற்றி கிடையாது. பட் யூ ஆர் ஆல்வேஸ் ஃபீல் Can you hear me now? Oh, Deepak. Can you hear me, Deepak, now? Fantastic. I'm really sorry, guys. There was some technical problem. I got a call, and as soon as I got a call, everything got muted, it seems. ப்ரோ கண்டிப்பாக கேளுங்க லவ். இங்கே டவுட் வந்து ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தான் நான் இங்கே இருக்கேன். ஹேர் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட் அப்படின்றது ரொம்ப சென்சிட்டிவான டாபிக். இதை வந்து நம்ம எடுத்தோம் கவுத்தோன்னு சொல்லி ஒரு ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் நமக்கு சீப்பாக கொடுக்குறாங்க, இல்லை இந்த ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் ரொம்ப காஸ்ட்லியாக சார்ஜ் பண்ணுறாங்க, அதனால் கண்டிப்பாக நல்லா தான் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா டெஃபினெட்லி இட்ஸ் நாட் தட் கேஸ். ஓகே, யூ காட் டு ரியலி டேக் லாட் ஆஃப் கன்சிடரேஷன் பிஃபோர் சூஸிங் அ ரைட் கிளினிக். இஃப் யூ ஆர் நாட் டேக்கிங் தோஸ் கன்சிடரேஷன்ஸ், it might be impacting you, and it has impacted so many other people. I have seen, like, whatever the thumbnail that you have seen, so many of you have joined now. Okay, and you might see the thumbnail where you can see a person's backside area, that's called donor area, got severely damaged. Consider உங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஹேர் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட்க்கு அப்புறம் நடந்துச்சுன்னா how will you feel? And you know what, this is not reversible. Yes, this is not reversible. இதை வந்து உங்களால் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. There are so many other treatments or like issues that can be treated, but donor damage அப்படின்றது அவ்வளோ சிம்பிளாக ட்ரீட் பண்ண முடியாது. உங்கள் வாழ்க்கை ஃபுல்லாக பின்னாடி சொட்ட தலையோட வழுக்க தலையோட நீங்கள் சுற்றுற மாதிரி இருக்கும், which is a curse. Okay, so I'm requesting all of you again, please consider the right clinics. When I say right clinic, qualified experts இருக்காங்களான்னு பாருங்கள், எவ்வளோ எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு பாருங்கள், எந்தெந்த எக்ஸ்பர்ட்ஸ்லாம் அவங்க கூட இருக்காங்கன்னு பாருங்கள், எவ்வளோ சர்ஜரிஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னு பாருங்கள், எவ்வளோ ப்ரூஃப்ஸ் போஸ்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னு பாருங்கள். If you're not able to check all this, do not go for hair transplantation. Hair transplant can change your life either in an extreme positive way, or it can also put you down completely where there is no chance to revive. ஸோ எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஒரு ஒரு ஐடி ப்ரொஃபஷனல் இன்ஃபேக்ட் வந்து ஒரு நல்ல கிளினிக்னு கூட சொல்லலாம். அந்த கிளினிக் ஒரு டைமில் நல்லாவே சர்வ் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. ஒரு கட்டத்துக்கு அப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தேர் எக்ஸ்பர்ட்ஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் சேஞ்சிங். லெட்ஸே இப்போ ஒரு கிளினிக் XYZன்னு வச்சுங்களேன், அந்த கிளினிக் வந்து ரொம்பவே நல்லா பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பாங்க இப்போ. பட் அடுத்த ஒரு வருஷத்தில் அந்த எக்ஸ்பர்ட்ஸ் வந்து வேறு கிளினிக் மாறி இருப்பாங்க இல்லையா. அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த கிளினிக்கோட ஓவரால் ப்ராசஸ், ப்ரொசீஜர், குவாலிட்டி எல்லாமே கம்மியாயிடுச்சு. அண்ட் ஹி காட் அ சிவியர் டோனர் டேமேஜ். So look at my area. I can also show my donor area. Okay, can you see my donor area? I don't know how much you are able to see it, but yeah, definitely this is my donor area. But என்னன்னா இவ்வளோ என்னோட டோனர் ஏரியாவில் எனக்கு இவ்வளோ முடி நீங்கள் பார்த்தாலுமே, பட் யூ நோ வாட், தெர் இஸ் அ கேப். தெர் இஸ் அ கேப் at the right center of my donor area, right center. Okay, so அது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா I don't know if that can be fixed or not. I've been trying for the last 4.5 years, and that is really concerning me as well. Okay, hair transplant பண்ணும்போது நிறையா வச்ச மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு, கொட்டிடுச்சு. இப்போ 4 months ஆச்சு. So MLOV, don't worry about it. For the first 4 months you will be in a phase called shedding phase. Okay, during that time you will lose a lot of hairs. Okay, and you don't have to worry about it. Starting 5th month, 6th month உங்கள் ஹேர் எல்லாமே ரீக்ரோ ஆரம்பிக்கும். அந்த டைமில் யூ கேன் see like where they have filled properly, you will see a lot of density over there. Okay, but கவலைப்படாதீங்க. first 120 to 150 days you will be in shedding phase, so you don't have to really worry about your density at this point in time. Okay, all the very best MLOV. உங்களுக்கு வேறு லெவல் ரிசல்ட்ஸ் வரணும் நான் வந்து மனப்பூர்வமாக வேண்டிக்கிறேன். எனக்கு ரிசல்ட்ஸ் வந்து அப்புறம் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள் ப்ரோ, உண்மையிலே எப்படி இருக்குது அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. கிளினிக்கோட ஃபீட்பேக்கும் கண்டிப்பாக கொடுங்க. Okay, is there any chance to increase the hair growth without hair transplant? Absolutely, Arun Vijay. In fact, I have one of the clinics who is ready to do this. Okay, I would share the clinic name very soon. They are an expert who wants to identify the root cause before getting into the medication, and they are one of the top most clinics in Chennai, and they are also planning to bring their branches to different set of cities. But yes, I mean there are a lot of options through which you can improve your hair or improve your density without hair transplant. சரிங்களா? Tada, brother, your local look cool, nice dressing looks like. Oh, thank you so much, Vijay Prashant. Thank you so much. சும்மா ட்ரை பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி தான் ட்ரை பண்ணேன். நல்லா இருக்குது அப்படின்னா வந்து கண்டிப்பாக கண்டினியூ பண்ணுறேன். Guys who have joined, please do subscribe this channel. It's very important for me. And also like this video. Okay, liking this video will ensure that this video gets pushed to a broader audience, and it makes a lot of difference in people's life, because people think opting hair transplant is very simple these days, but it is not. You need to consider a lot of things, and I am here to create that awareness. I did my hair transplant 4.5 years back. Okay, and இதுதான் என்னோட, this is my hair transplant looks. Guys, I know there are so many people who have joined. Let me know which language is comfortable for you. நான் தமிழில் பேசணுமா, should I speak in English, और मुझे हिंदी में बात करना चाहिए? जो भी आपको चाहिए बता दीजिए. నేను తెలుగు కొంచెంగా తెలుసు నాకు. నేను తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. ఇఫ్ ఇన్ కేస్ యూ వాంట్ మీ టు టాక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఆర్ లైక్ కన్నడ ఆర్ మలయాళం ఫర్ దట్ మ్యాటర్, ఐ విల్ ట్రై మై బెస్ట్. బట్ టెల్ మీ which language do you prefer me to talk, and for your questions I will try to answer in your language. Okay, deal? Okay, awesome. I already done my hair transplant, but my hair was so straight in front, some hair curly, some damage. How to fix this problem? Fantastic. So Deepak, again, hair transplant hairs look differently based upon the angle of transplantation, the directions, okay, and how your natural grafts are. Okay, there are so many factors that will determine whether your hair should look straight or it should look curly. Okay, easiest thing to determine this is to get a scalp analysis. There are few good technology that is available that will help you to understand what kind of hair you have got, and what kind of medications that you may have to take to ensure that those hair can be treated, or it needs to be clinically treated, it needs to be treated in a cosmetic or like salon, right, to get that done. But don't worry, my hair, right, the hair that you see in the front, it was so curly during the initial phase, but right now it has now straightened to a little bit. Again, I'm not saying it's super straight, but it's not that curly as well. Okay, but initially it was really curly. Okay, Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nice name. Mic name. Oh, my mic name is called Zeal Sound. I hope the voice comes out really well. Let me know if in case you have any issues with my mic. Happy to correct it. Okay. Thank you, bro. Ninga super again. Thank you so much. Love you, brother. आकाश दीप हाय हाय हिंदी हिंदी में बात करना चाहिए आपको आपको बता दीजिए आपको क्वेश्चन जो भी चाहिए वो बोल दीजिए मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ ப்ரோ நீங்கள் எப்படி ஹேர் கேர் எப்படி ப்ரோ டிப்ஸ் ஆனஸ்ட்லி ஆனஸ்ட்லி எதுவுமே இல்லை ஆனஸ்ட்லி எதுவுமே கிடையாது ஐ ட்ரை டு ரியலி ஸ்லீப் properly, a quality sleep of 7 to 8 hours that really keeps me sane. And I try to eat as clean as possible. I try to avoid the junk foods, and especially when currently I'm in US, because of which I don't get to eat a lot of junk. Back there in India, you have access to samosas, pani puris, chaat, so many things, right, and whatnot, right? But here we don't have that luxury. We can, but it's really expensive. You cannot save anything if you get to that mode. So yeah, fortunately or unfortunately, I'm not having access to those junk foods, and that is really helping my body metabolism. Okay, so eat clean, sleep properly, and try to manage your stress. I'm not a uh, super performer or like someone who's a great example of managing stress. I take a lot of stress. I try to manage it. I try to succumb it. Sometimes stress succumbs me. But end of the day, you got to manage your stress. When you are stressful, there is a hormone called cortisol that spikes up. When cortisol spikes up, it impacts your hair. Not only hair, it impacts your skin too. So it's very, very important that you manage your stress. Without managing your stress, you cannot keep your hair healthy. Okay? So stress manage karna padta hai. Make sure that no matter what, keep things very simple. Try to be happy no matter what. Try to be grateful of things that you are blessed. Count your blessings. Things will take its own course. Okay? Ta-da! Hair growth tip. Hair growth tip. Eat healthy. Sleep properly. Take less stress. These are 3 mantras. हिंदी 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 आकाशदीप डेफिनेटली हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ अब हिंदी पे पूछ दीजिए जो भी मैं बता सकता हूँ ஹாய் ப்ரோ ஹெச்டி பண்ணி 3 இயர்ஸ் ஆச்சு ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் நல்லா இருந்துச்சு இப்போ டென்சிட்டி குறைஞ்சி அப்போ வந்து சரியாக மெயின்டைன் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கலாம் மேபி உங்களோட லைஃப் ஸ்டைலாக இருக்கலாம் மேபி உங்களோட ஜீனாக இருக்கலாம் ஐ திங்க் ஐ வுட் ஸ்ட்ராங்லி அட்வைஸ் ஆர் ரெக்கமெண்ட் யூ டு கன்சல்ட் அ டெர்மட்டாலஜிஸ்ட் ஆஸ் சூன் அஸ் பாசிபிள் டெர்மட்டாலஜிஸ்ட் வந்து ஸ்கேல்ப் அனலைஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க அந்த டெர்மோஸ்கோப் வச்சுட்டு அது டெர்மோஸ்கோப் வச்சு பண்ணுறப்ப உங்களுக்கு கிராஃப்ஸ் இருக்கா இல்லை கிராஃப்ஸ் இல்லையா கிராஃப்ஸ் இல்லைன்னா என்ன பண்ணுறது கிராஃப்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது எப்படி தின்னான கிராஃப்ஸை வந்து திக்காக்குறது அப்படின்ற மாதிரி நிறைய விஷயங்களை வந்து டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க that will really help you. Okay. Hi bro, HT பண்ணி 3 years ஆச்சு ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் நல்லா இருந்துச்சு லைக் போடுங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஒன் பிளக் கேமர் ஃபார் சப்போர்ட்டிங் மைக் நேம் ப்ளீஸ் திஸ் மைக் இஸ் ஜீல் ப்ளஸ் யோ லவ் ஃப்ரம் ஜெர்மனி ஓ அவன் சிங் தேங்க்யூ லவ் யூ ஸோ மச் வேர் ஆர் யூ பெஸ்ட் அவுட் ஆஃப் ஜெர்மனி பிரதர் Germany is in my bucket list for so long time. I get to visit Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. And during that point in time, I had an option to come to Germany, but I totally missed it. But still, it is there in my bucket list. So do let me know any best places that you are recommending to visit in Germany. Mic name, please. Mic name is Zilson. Looks like my mic is sounding better. You may have to share that feedback. That will really help me. Please speak Sanskrit. I would love to speak in Sanskrit, but unfortunately, there are very less people who can understand Sanskrit. And you know what? On top of it, I have to speak Sanskrit, right? So definitely will do. Bro, can you tell me what's the end cost of hair transplant? You know what? Guess my cost, guys. There are so many people. Guess my hair transplant cost. Okay, let's see who answers best. Okay, so I'm gonna post a question here, guys. Let's see who answers right. Okay, what is guess my hair transplant cost? Okay, answer done. Okay, let's see who answered this rightly. Whoever answers this rightly, I'm going to share my phone number to you guys. Okay, आपका हेयर ट्रांसप्लांटेड है हाँ मेरा ट्रांसप्लांटेड है ये सभी हेयर्स आप जो भी देखते हैं इधर और इस तरफ सभी हेयर ट्रांसप्लांटेड है Bro, 2 months completed after HT. When can we be able to see decent growth. Only front line மட்டும் தான் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. So again, it takes at least 4 to 5 months, buddy. Okay, if it is front hairline, I believe the density should be really good. On top of it, you must be having the supporting hairs at the back. So I think you will get results around 3.5 to 4 months. So please be patient and take care of yourself. You are going to get an amazing results. Okay. Tada, have you watched Durandar? Nice. I have not watched. Do you recommend to watch? How is Durandar? Sanskar says 35,000, close. Azmal say 40K, pretty close. Gupta says 2 lakh. Okay, that's a very good guess, Gupta. Keep going, keep going. Unplugged Gamer says 36,000 to 39,000. That's a very good guess too. Vijay Prashant says 50,000. Awesome. Still, I have not got the accurate answer. I'm waiting for the accurate answer. Okay, let's see who's able to give that. Jai Kamata, is that right? Jai Kamata says it's 125K around, maybe. It's like 1,25,000 is what Jai Kamata says. Very good guess, Jai Kamata. Gokul Srila Babu says 40K. Very good. Sase I Baba. Is that right? I'm sorry if I'm reading your name incorrectly. Thanks a lot, bro. Thank you so much. आप उसके क्लिनिक का नाम बताइए जहाँ से आप हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट कराया, क्योंकि आपका परिणाम बहुत बढ़िया है. Hope I'm able to read Hindi properly, guys. Okay, rate my Hindi skills. See, again, I'm a South Indian. I'm trying to be sound like a native Hindi speaker. I'm very sure I'm not, but you can rate my Hindi skills. Okay. Okay. अगर आपको जिधर भी मैं किया था उधर का जानकारी आपको चाहिए तो आप मेरा नंबर कॉल कर सकते हैं. मेरा व्हाट्सअप नंबर है 9952419890. दिस इज़ माई नंबर. I'm sharing my WhatsApp number. This is dedicated to this particular YouTube channel, YouTube community. It's 9952419890. I repeat, now, 5 2 4 1 9 8 9 0 9 9 5 2 4 1 9 8 9 0. 9952419890. That's my number. आप उसके क्लिनिक ट्रांसप्लांट करने 5 लाख 5 लाख says funnel time. Fantastic. Hi, dude. What about you, dear? Sai Chandrika. Hi. How are you, Sai Chandrika? 55K to 60K. Ajmal, very good guess, man. 38K, Shankar says, आप उसके क्लिनिक का नाम बताइए. बढ़िया. Absolutely, I'll definitely share some of the details. But you know what? Wherever I did my hair transplant, the experts have changed. I want to make sure that I want to direct you to the right path. So please do reach out to me based upon your photos, based upon your ask. I'm going to recommend you the right clinic. Okay. Anna, where are you from? Yes, Jaikamata says, I am from Tamil Nadu, brother. Where are you from, Jaikamata? Sase Abibaba. Anna, dandruff irukkanna. After HT, right now, 2 months completed. Dandruff will be there after HT. It is maybe because of the saline sedimentation, maybe because of few other factors. Don't worry about it. All that you have to do is you have to take few treatments like high frequency therapy. That's medically proven to kill the fungus. It is going to really help you. And else, like, you have to keep your scalp as clean as possible. You know what I did? I trimmed my entire head around 45 days. I did my second trim around 60 days. I did my third trim around 75 days. So I did 3 trims, okay, after my hair transplant. That helped me fight the dandruffs. Hello, Mukesh. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க முகேஷ்? ஜெய்க மாதா சரி அண்ணா ஆர்ஜே அண்ணா இல்லை நான் ஆர்ஜே கிடையாது. I'm not ஆர்ஜே கைஸ், பட் I was an aspiring ஆர்ஜே stuff, but I couldn't do it. I wanted to be VJ, I wanted to be RJ, I wanted to do a lot of things, maybe because of my skills, because of my voice, because of my expertise. I couldn't make it. But yeah, at least like my YouTube channel is helping me a little bit to communicate with you all. I believe I'm clear. I believe this YouTube channel is helpful. If yes, please do subscribe. Okay. AP May. What is AP me, buddy? Oh, you are from Andhra Pradesh? Oh, fantastic. What if I am at the railway station? Just for kidding. Railway station where, Sai Chandrika? What are you doing at railway station? Brother is Max. Good place for HD. Max is really good. Max is good. It is little expensive for people like me who fall under middle class, upper middle class. May not be able to afford Max, but they are good. Yeah, you can definitely try them as well. Bro, आप कहाँ से हो? मैं तमिलनाडु से हूँ, brother. Had your dinner? Yeah, for me it's breakfast. Yeah, I did my breakfast. I'm waiting for my lunch. What about you, Sai Chandrika? आपकी इंग्लिश फरदेदार है. Oh my god, I'm not able to read that. I'm really sorry. You said फरदेदार है. अगर आपकी इकाई पर जाए तो थोड़ी बहुत इंग्लिश हम लोगों को भी आएगी. Oh, fantastic. Don't, I understand what you're trying to say. Thank you so much, SP Gupta. English is just a language. I have to stick to something where I can communicate my message. It's just a channel, right? So, आपको हिंदी अच्छी आती है, मुझे हिंदी उतना अच्छी नहीं आता है. मैं ट्राई कर देता हूँ हिंदी में बात करने के लिए. मे बी मेरे अंग्रेज़ी बेहतर है क्योंकि लाइक मैं बहुत सारा अंग्रेज़ी में बात करता हूँ. जो भी मैं अब फ़िलहाल मैं अमेरिका में हूँ, सो इसलिए मुझे अंग्रेज़ी बहुत बात करना पड़ता है, इसलिए मेरा अंग्रेज़ी थोड़ा सा बेहतर है आपसे. But don't worry, it's just a language. You will definitely learn. Okay, whatever that you want to learn, you just have to make some efforts. कुछ efforts डालना पड़ेगा, सब कुछ automatically आ जाएगा. Okay. Uh, Magical voice, bro. Your speaking skills and accent is just wow, wow. Oh, thank you so much. Love you so much, Suganti. I love this feedback. Sugandhi Shankar. Sugandhi, are you joining for the very first time? If you're joining for the very first time, do subscribe. Okay. आपकी English. Oh, thank you so much again. I'm from Coimbatore. Uh, where are you from in daytime? I'm currently in US, brother. So that's why you are seeing bright lights. Jai Kamata, you know what? I love Coimbatore. Coimbatore is my second home. In fact, I have set up few clinics in Coimbatore as well. Some of the clinics always need my inputs, my help in terms of setting up their clinics. So there is a clinic at Vadavalli which was set by me completely. Yeah, and and there are so many doctors who who I interact with, right, are really technically sound. So that's where all this knowledge comes from. Okay, if you ask me, okay, hey brother, how can you speak about minoxidil or fenestrate or any other medications for that matter? That's wherein I got the knowledge. 2 months completed, but இன்னும் small hair wash பண்ணும்போது வரும். Absolute no problem bro. வரும். Okay, கண்டிப்பாக வரும். இப்போ மட்டும் வராது, இன்னும் 2 மாதத்துக்கு வரும். முதல் 4 மாதத்துக்கு கண்டிப்பாக வரும். But don't worry, everything will be all right. You are in shedding phase. Okay, just know that. Dhurendra is fantastic movie, but most movie to watch in theater, not OTT in future. I do not know if Dhurendra is released here. Dhurendra is which language? Is it Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam? What exactly? Or is it Hindi or any other specific language? Please do enlighten me. Happy to go and watch in theaters if it is available in US. Bro, आप कहाँ से हो? मैं फ़िलहाल अब यूएस पे हूँ, पर मेरा रूट सब कुछ तमिलनाडु से है. Samir bhai, I've done HD 1.5 years back only front area. Now come crown area is bal. Can absolutely, if you have got enough donor area, you are eligible, bro. You are eligible. Yeah. आपकी इंग्लिश फॉर ओके इज द सेम थिंग राइट. आपने बताया नहीं आपके हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट में टोटल कितना खर्च हो. फैंटास्टिक. This is the time to reveal it, right? I spent close to 43,000 for my hair transplants. It's 40,000 for my hair transplant and 3,000 for the medication. So it's in total it's 43,000. Malayaliano, not in level, Abhimanyu. I have completed my MSCS and currently taking the AI generative course, dear sir. Wow, Sai Chandrika, fantastic. All the very best. AI is the next boom. In fact, AI is the current boom, right? So people are really, looking it as a very hard skill, super hard skill. Please learn better. Please try to upskill yourself. I'm telling you, Sai, you are going to get an amazing opportunities after you complete those courses, and your life is going to be super magical. Okay, just join. Please sum up whatever information you shared. Anonymous, happy to share. So this is about the donor damage. So whenever any candidate who gets hair transplant done in any specific clinic, there are chances that you may get donor damage as well. Okay, it all depends upon the expertise, experts, the technology that they use, right? And also it comes from you. If in case you are pushing them for a higher density, those density needs to come from this donor area, right? This is called donor area. Okay, I don't know whether you're able to see my hair. Okay, let me show something. Okay, are you able to see my hair, guys? Here, I don't know. Tada, tada, tada. Okay, so I have to turn my hair, but anyways, so this is called donor area. Okay, and if in case like you are getting hair transplant, make sure that you tell your clinic not to extract more than specific number of grafts. What they do, they try to extract 5,000 grafts in when you just need 4,000 grafts, and they need, because they know that hey, they might end up needing more, or they may choose those graphs accordingly, and sometimes they also waste the graphs. Sometimes they do not know the count at all. Okay, so make sure that you are counting the graphs as soon as it is extracted, and once you count it, you know what exactly is taken out, right? On top of it, now you want to know whether all the graphs are utilized. You know what, in one of the clinics the graphs were just spilled over. Meaning, like, I mean, let's say after the hair transplant, they see that hey, there are another 500,000 grafts that is left to do. What to do? Okay, now spill it over. So there are so many things that has happened. So please be considerate. Make sure that you do all the analysis before getting hair transplant. Like, what kind of hospital it is, are they qualified, are they having doctors, who is getting your hair transplant done, how many result photos that they have posted, right? Everything needs to be analyzed before getting into a hair transplant surgery. I've joined at the very time, first time, just came here randomly, been addicted to your speaking skills. Oh, Sugandhi, thank you so much. Love you so much, Sugandhi. Samanga. I don't know, Sugandhi, where you are from, but thank you so much for the support. Bro, मैं कोलकाता से मैं अभी विजय गोपालपुरम तमिलनाडु. Oh, fantastic, Vijay. Fantastic. Kolkata. Kemuachi. Kemunachi. Right? Kemunachi. Durendra is a Hindi movie, brother. Fantastic. Thank you, man. Wow, your voice is really good. I fell in love with you. Thank you so much, Sai Chandrika. Thank you so much. What do you do? I'm an IT. I am an IT guy, IT techie guy. Your English communication is very good, but I have the problem. I have the hesitation, but I never talk the English. You know what, S. Gupta? I mean, you have to just talk. That's it. You just have to start. When we try learning to ride a bicycle, right? We fall multiple times. How many times do we fall? We break our knees, we fall down, we do all this drama, right? But but when you actually have that courage to press that pedal hard, right? That's wherein you keep going and you get your confidence. Then you learn to control, you learn to maneuver, right? Everything gets come automatically, right? So make sure that you start speaking. Don't don't think that people will judge you. Okay, you know what, as soon as you practice, and you know there are so many AI tools that are available now. If you are able to take the help of those AI tools, your English is going to be amazing. Hello, bro. Hello, Venistry. Stuart, Nikki, John Cena. You know, John Cena unfortunately retired. I've got my Raw in Orlando. Orlando is the city where I live in currently, and I think we have got Monday Night Raw on December 30th, I believe, 30th or 29th. I don't remember the date. So I'm actually planning for it. Let me know if I have to make a live video after going there. What's up? Hey, Nandini. How are you, buddy? Hey, hello, Stoney. You don't have to call me sir, buddy. I'm just your bro. Anna Feb 18 special occasion இருக்குண்ணா. என்னது அது? சொல்லுங்க. நான் உங்களுக்கு கேட்குறோம். मैं आपका चैनल विजिट किया टोटल, तो मेरे को पता चला कि आप ट्रांसप्लांट की बात क्यों कर रहे हो, क्योंकि आपका चैनल यूज़ रिलेटेड है. थैंक यू. आपने अपने कंडीशन को शेयर किया. आप अपना पूरा है. थैंक यू सो मच. लव यू सो मच ब्रदर. लव यू सो मच. आप अपना रिजल्ट पूरा एक बार शो करिए. एब्सोल्युटली, व्हाई नॉट. ओके, लेट मी फिनिश माय टी. ओके, सो let me comb my hair, show you what my results look like now. So it's been 4.5 years. Okay, and okay, so this is my existing hairs, whatever that you see here, right? Okay, yeah, this is my existing hairs. You guys see it? Just give me a thumbs up if you're able to see it legibly. If not, Happy to help, okay? And the hair that you see at the front, right? Everything is transplanted. Every hair that you see here is transplanted heads. And you can easily make out there is a small difference between my existing hair and the transplanted hair. Okay, and transplanted hair is little thin now because I'm not been maintaining properly. Okay, and I also did my hair transplant in the crown. Okay, so if you see in the crown, right, on top, crown means this area, right? So I did my hair transplant here as well. Okay, so I was bald here. Okay, I was bald here, I was bald here, right? And hairs from this back of the head, can you see my back of the head, guys? Okay, hair from the back of head was taken and it got transplanted into my bald areas. Okay, now, okay, now, what are the, I mean, negatives of my hair transplant? You see, between my existing hairs and transplant hair, there is a small gap. Can you see this gap? Guys, tell me if you're able to see the gap. And same is here. Okay. You can see a small gap here, guys. See, again, guys, this video is to educate you. Okay. I can just hide my spots. I can tell you, know what, I don't have any problem. I want to make sure that I be transparent. I tell you what exactly happens after hair transplant. And to ensure that I keep doing this, you need to support me. If you are not supporting me, right, I will not have that motivation to share. Okay, just let me know if you are able to see these spots. Are you able to see these spots? I bet you anyone who did hair transplant will have these gaps. Okay, 95% of the people will have these spots. You know why? My hair transplant was done 2021 April 6 and 7. That's the date when I got my hair transplant done. It's been 4.5 years. During this journey, right, my hairs go back, right? The baldness progress, right? The baldness does not stop. Hair transplant is only for those areas where you are bald, right? It's not for the places where you are going to be bald. You cannot treat the future occurrences. So what happened? My hair was here. Now the hair, it moved, I think 1 inch or half an inch, whatever you say, right? That moved little top, right? So, and you see here as well, right? It has moved. So that's the reason, right? Because I had hair here. These are my existing hairs, right? Since the baldness is progressing, so it is going up. Hence, there is a gap. But if you ask me if it is an actual negative, no, it is not. You know what? Since I am on a YouTube channel, I want to give you some knowledge about hair transplant. I am showing this. But when you go out for a normal life, right, where you don't want to show your negatives, normally we don't show our negatives, right? How will we go? We just do this and ta-da, right? We do this and we say, okay, this is me, right? So now this is how I go out, right? I just comb my hair, and after combing my hair, I'm trying to share you things, right? Can you see those spots now? You cannot see the spots, correct? Why? Because unless you are actually, I mean, showing this explicitly that there is a gap, nobody will find it out. Okay, and I'm not going to tell everyone, hey, you know what, I have a spot. I don't have to tell that, right? मैं किसको क्यों बताना चाहिए, right? But know this, you will have this gap, and this gap could be big or small depending upon your baldness. Let's say you are progressing really heavily, right? Down the line, let's say in another 2 3 years, this spot might can go further back, and I may not be able to cover any further. It can happen. It can happen to anyone. You know, Salman Khan did close to 6 hair transplantation. How many? 6 hair transplant surgeries. Salman Khan. I think Ameer Khan done 2 or 3. Okay, and so is Hrithik Roshan. So is other celebrities. Why do they do these many hair transplant? Because over the time they get those bald spots because of the balding progression, and they have to cover those through the hair transplant. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, आप अपना result पूरा देख लो. So this is what it is. So definitely, I mean, if in case you need to know more, you want me to comb this way, that way, feel free to let me. Happy to do this. Okay, anything for you guys, but make sure that you know everything before you are signing up for a hair transplant. Okay, that's important. Perfecto, perfecto. Okay, And I am Chennai. Oh, Chennai ponnu but oh, fantastic, Sugandhi Shankar. Rate my Hindi skills. Sugandhi, இவ்வளவு நேரம் வந்து you've been seeing me speaking Hindi as well, right? நான் ஹிந்தி எப்படி பேசுகிறேன், தமிழ் எப்படி பேசுகிறேன், இங்கிலீஷ் எப்படி பேசுகிறேன். ஸோ இதை மூணுமே ரேட் பண்ணணும்னா எப்படி ரேட் பண்ணுவீங்க டீச்சர் சொல்லுங்கள். ஸோ எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஹிந்தி சொல்லிக் கொடுங்க சரிங்களா, ஸோ தட் நான் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கிளியராக பேசுவேன். You said something about opening clinics. Yeah, see, you know what? There are so many doctors who are aspiring to open a clinic, right? So what they do, they randomly go check for the YouTubers who can help and the influencers, right? So since I got a connect of almost 25 plus clinics, they always wanted to take my experience to start a clinic. Okay, I know end-to-end process of opening a clinic. If you ask me to set up a clinic, I can set up a clinic in next 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes even 2 weeks, sometimes even 1 week, depending upon how ready they are. Okay, so I did some a great job. I think I have set up a close to 3 to 4 clinics as of now. Okay, I have helped them end to end. I have deployed the best experts, right, with my connect network and everything. So there are so many things that I have done apart from just being a hair transplant patient, right? I've really traveled a long way, guys, trust me. Hi, future. Hi, Sahiba, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? How are you? அண்ணா February 18 ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் அக்கேஷன் இருக்குது. பிஃபோர் தட் ரிசல்ட் இருக்குமா? இட்ஸ் ஹார்ட். ஹேர் ட்ரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட் பண்ணால் கண்டிப்பாக வாய்ப்பு கிடையாது. February 18ன்றது ஹார்ட்லி இட்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் 2 months. Definitely you are not going to get hair transplant results by February 18. But there are many other treatments available. Okay, if in case you want to really improve your density, if you want to fill up few things, right, you can still do it. It depends upon how much you can spend. 1 lakh cost. 1 lakh is too much, you know. Senthil, for 1 lakh you can achieve a lot better. Tell me, guys. My number is 9952419890. I don't know how many of you are actually following it from the start. So if in case you want to contact me, so that's the number. Okay, I'm gonna delete this question now. I'm gonna start a poll. Okay, so how do I delete this question? Okay, so I'm gonna start a poll. Now you're going to help me choose this. Okay, WhatsApp, because this is a most frequent question. Are you guys ready for the poll? Say yes, no. I want your response, guys. Ta-da! Done. Okay, okay. Okay. So for people who are asking my number, this is my number. Okay, 9952419890. You can reach out to me in WhatsApp, but don't think I'll be responding immediately, because I get a lot of messages in a day, at least like 100 to 200 messages. On top of it, this is not my full-time profession. I'm an IT guy, so I will be focusing there. So whenever I get some time, I try to talk to people based upon the urgency they have got. Happy to help as a brother, as a friend, but if I'm not able to reply you promptly, please be patient. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, tell me about yourself, because I am thank you so much, Gupta. I'm a normal common man, buddy. Nothing special about me. I'm just trying to make a difference in the society. I did something. I went through a lot of things. Because of my ignorance, I got impacted, affected, got scammed, right? Especially by the cosmetic clinics. I spent too much. So that was the point in time. Then I decided that what I'm gonna get this journey through. I'm gonna get my hair transplant done, and I'm gonna expose each and everything that is happening in this industry. And I'm able to do this successfully for the last 4 years. Scams, so many scams. What is good, what is bad, which clinic is doing better in which part, what do they have to have, how they are cheating you, right? What are the products they are trying to sell you that you may not be needing? So all these are something that I'm trying to create, brother. But yes, I mean, please make sure that you are forwarding this channel to all of your friends, because it is not just for you or me. It is for our friends, our family, and for the entire community who is looking for a hair transplant, who is looking to, who is really aspiring to transform themselves, right? No issue, sir. For the ball spots, because you're looking good. Thank you so much. Love you, brother. அண்ணா ஜான் ஒரு மேரேஜ் ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்குது. இப்போ 2 months completed. Will be able to see good results? No, definitely not. எவ்வளோ நேரம் ஆச்சுன்னு தெரியாது. சாசை அப்படி, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், if you have done hair transplant 2 months, and 4 months is at least what you need to get your hair transplant result. So just tell me what uh, uh, what what time period you might have completed by Jan 30, based upon which you can really calculate by yourself. See, Stornik is also saying that he has got the same spot like me. Rajdeep Datta says 1,20,000. You know what the correct answer is, Rajdeep? You will be surprised, man. Seriously, I'm telling you. How to maintain your hair, sleep properly, eat healthy, eat clean, manage your stress properly. ट्रांसप्लांट के बाद आपके सारा में दर्द होता, हाँ हुआ था, अभी यो को प्रभाव नहीं है उसका। नहीं, अब कुछ नहीं था, पहले इनिशियली था, फर्स्ट 90 डेज था, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं है। हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट का दर्द है ना, ये उतना बहुत बड़ा बात नहीं है। इनिशियली हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट सर्जरी होता है, उस समय बहुत दर्द होता है, पर आप झेल सकते हो। इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट इट्स आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, यू कैनॉट इवन मैनेज इट। डेफिनेटली you can manage. Do you use any clinical treatment? No, I'm not using. I think when I visited India around June, I got my exosomes done by Bonita, which is also helping me, I believe. But apart from that, I did not take my PRP GFCs for the last 2.5 years at least now. Yeah. India, oh yeah, Orlando, chai is must. Yeah, see, chai is must. Future, ta 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 ta. Hi, good about you, Nandini. Na super burger. How are you, Nandini? Super. Hi, 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 hi. Senthil Kumar says 1 lakh was Anna February 8. Senthil 1 lakh la illenga. Senthil, it just costed 42,000 guys. I don't know whether you'll trust me or not. 42,000 is what I spent for my hair transplant. 43,000 is what I spent for my hair transplant. हेलो शंकर, एवढी இருக்கீங்க शंकर? क्रिश का गाना सुनाओगे? अरे यार, माइक ही है पर सिंगर नहीं है। सिंगर को लेके आ जाऊंगा, उसके बाद सब गाना सुना दूंगा आपको, ओके? पर until then, please do subscribe, stay tuned, okay? Stage 6 or 7 hair transplant possible. It is possible depending upon your donor strength. If you have very good donor area, then stage 7 is cakewalk. I'm good. How are you, brother? I'm doing really, really good, buddy. Okay. See, I need a lot of connect with doctors like you, physiotherapists. There are so many other medical professionals who used to help me. So, Dr. Saiba, you are going to create a lot of awareness. You are going to create a lot of change to the society. Okay. Promise me that as soon as you become doctor, you are going to create awareness. Okay. எப்படி இருக்கேன்னா நல்லா இருக்கேன். வணக்கம் அக்ரிதி. அக்ரிதி டஸ் நாட் நோ தமிழ், பட் ஷி attempts to talk in Tamil just because like I mean she has got huge respect on me. Thank you so much, Akriti. Naveen Vaitishwaran, வேற லெவல் பல. Naveen Vaitishwaran, hi Anna, just give few tips for healthier. See, eat protein rich foods, eat fiber rich foods, eat almonds, uh, eat dry fruits for that matter, eat nuts, greeny vegetables because it has got folate. And what else? Eat seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a good DHT blockers, so you can eat pumpkin seeds. I've made a dedicated video. In fact, if you want to actually transform your thin hair to thick, then you should watch that video. Search for Ameer space HT thin to thick hair. You will get a detailed video about what all you should be consuming to transform your hair. Okay, your language skills are just too good. A number of times far better than my students. In simple words, Tamil la sonna arumai, English la fantabulous, Hindi बहुत बढ़िया है जी. Yo, love you so much. ये बोला अड़गा पेसरांग बारेंगले. Suganti is a teacher and she is rating my language skills. Thank you so much. Love you, Suganti, for the respect, for the love. Anna, na HT Jan 30 almost 3.5 months complete agumna. You may start seeing results, but I don't know, but it depends. I've seen one of my friend who got results around 3.5 months, but not everyone gets around that time. Please be little patient. If not, there are few alternatives that you can do. Just visit your clinic once. Tell them that you have got some important day and that's coming up around Jan 30. I think they should be able to help as well, buddy. 43,000 is the right answer. Thank you so much, Unplay Gamer. Chaco. Hi. Hi, do you know Malayalam? மலையாளம் எனக்கு குறைச்சி அறியும், புரிஞ்சுப்பேன், பேச முடியுமான்னு தெரியாது. பட் எனக்கு நிறையா மல்லு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. நேற்று கூட வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து என் கூட கிரிக்கெட்லாம் ஆடிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. தே லவ் ஸ்பீக்கிங் டு மீ இன் மலையாளம் அண்ட் ஐ யூஸ் டு ரெஸ்பாண்ட் தெம் இன் தமிழ். ஓகே, and we have a very good bonding. I don't know, like Mallu brothers and Tamil brothers, right? They gel like anything for some reasons. I don't know why, what kind of connect is that, but I love hearing Malayalam. I try to interpret them, answer them, so I just love that. So yeah, of course, Anu Babu, like if in case you want to talk to me in Malayalam, you can test me. I'll be it will be a litmus test for me. Super Amir brother, India Trichy. Very soon, very soon. Trust me, guys. I am going to visit India very soon. And if in case you want to visit me, you know what? Subscribe this channel. I'm going to let you know where and how. And we are going to have a amazing party. The party is on me. Okay. நான் இன்வைட் பண்ணுறேன் வாங்க எத்தனை பேர் வந்தாலும் ஓகே ஓகே வில் செலக்ட் அ பிளேஸ் அண்ட் வி வில் when I say party, we'll eat, we'll have fun, no drinks, nothing. Okay, don't expect me, don't put me on spot. But definitely வந்து நல்லா சாப்பிடுவோம் என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவோம் நிறைய விஷயங்கள் பேசுவோம் பட் கண்டிப்பாக சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஃபாலோ பண்ணிகிட்டே இருங்க நான் வரப்போ கண்டிப்பாக சப்ஸ்கிரைபர்ஸ் மீட் சொல்கிறேன் we will enjoy. Okay, super Amir brother, India to Chepa. Jovi Shantano, hello. Are you singer? Anu Babu, not really, Anu. Let me know if I have to sing, but I'm a very bad singer, you know. Hey Akriti, hi. Hi brother, hello Lokeshwaran. Yeah, sure brother, inshallah. That is fantastic. Thank you so much, doctor. How many graft transplant, bro? For me, it's 4,000 grafts, brother. Yeah. Hi, bro. Good day. Post HT, how many days it will take to recover from shock loss, or did we need any medication? You don't need any medication. There are some occasions where you may have to get a specific treatment to get out of your shock loss, but not every time you have to take that. Okay, don't worry about it. It's all is well. Contact your clinic. Stay in touch with them. If you feel uh, density is lacking, your donor area is, especially on the donor area, right? So you have to make sure that you connect with them, get the right solution for it. Okay, if you're not taking care of it in early stage, then it might end up little chaotic. Don't worry, but stay in touch with the clinic, work with them closely. Okay. After delivery, how to reduce weight, bro? Very good question. Again, Jovi Shanto, first of all, congratulations. Looks like you have just given birth to a beautiful soul, angel, cutie pie, whatever that you want to call, right? Definitely you can reduce weight, but make sure that you are not going or like hitting the nutrition deficiency, because I've seen people who cut down on their calories at the same time they also cut down on their nutrients, because of which they enter into the nutrition deficiency stage. If you're entering that particular stage, it's going to be a little risky. When I say risky, it is gonna have some bone loss. It's gonna have some certain other impacts in your life. Okay, so please make sure that if you are cutting down calories, cut down based upon your dietitian's recommendation. Bro, does smoking increase hair fall? It will, of course, Sharan. Again, there is no general theory that smoking is directly related to hair fall, but smoking causes vasoconstriction. Okay, vasoconstriction is a condition where your blood vessels get shrinked. Okay, the width of the blood vessels will go down, because of which the blood flow will decrease, and when the blood flow decreases, the blood that carries those nutrients will not reach out to the hair, the scalp area, because of which you might lose hair. Okay, again, not a direct relationship, but definitely it is going to impact your hair. Okay, what's the best clinic in Chennai? Yogaraj, that's a very generic question. Okay, some clinic do DHA better. Some clinic does an amazing job with Sapphire, and some clinic does very good with SHIs, and some clinic does better job in regenerative medication. So there are so many clinics who are expect on their own space. So if you want to really know like which clinic is doing good, what where should you opt for what, you have my number, you have my Instagram ID as well. You can reach out to me. I'm gonna help you. ப்ரோ யூ சவுண்ட் லைக் மகிழ் திருமேனி டிரெக்டர். அப்படியா? மகிழ் திருமேனி நான் பார்க்கணும் ஆக்சுவலாக. அவர் பேசி நான் பார்த்ததில்ல, பட் ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸான டேரக்டரில் என்னென்ன படம் எடுத்திருக்காரு அவர் ஆக்சுவலாக. பட் ஆனால் நான் இது கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன், மகிழ் திருமேனி கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன். ஃபேமஸான படம்லாம் எடுத்திருக்காருன்னு தெரியும், பட் நான் அவர் மாதிரி தான் பேசுகிறேன் அப்படின்னு வந்து சொல்கிறப்ப நான் என்ன செய்ய போகிறேன்னா, நான் ஒரு நல்ல விஷயம் செஞ்சேன். இதை நான் அப்படியே வந்து எடுத்து அவருக்கு டேக் பண்ண போகிறேன். அப்படியே சூப்பரா. ஆஹா, என்னங்க எடுக்க முடியல. ஓகே, இப்போ இந்த ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்து உங்களை டேக் பண்ண முடியுமான்னு தெரியாது, இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் மட்டும் அவரை டேக் பண்ணுறேன் சரிங்களா. ஆனால் மகிழ் திருமேனி இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் இருக்கிறான்னு தெரியல. ஆனால் ஐ காண்ட் பிகாஸ் ஐ எம் ஒர்க்கிங் இன் அப்போ வெயிட் பண்ணுற தவிர எனக்கு பெருசாக ஆப்ஷன் இல்லை. கத்தார் இஸ் லிட்டில் எக்ஸ்பென்சிவ் வித் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் டு த ரீஜென்ரேட்டிவ் மெடிகேஷன்ஸ், பட் இஃப் இன் கேஸ் யூ கேன் கம் டு சென்னை, டேக் மெடிகேஷன், கோ பேக். யா, ஐ மீன் maybe have a weekend trip to Chennai and get the treatment done, because like I know a few clinics who do an amazing job with respect to regenerative medications. Yeah. బ్రదర్ తెలుగు కొంచెంగా తెలుసు. నేను తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. బట్ నాట్ సో ఫ్లూయెంట్. ఐ క్యాన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ తెలుగు. Lot of friends again in Telugu. I have a lot of friends in who speak Kannada, who speak Malayalam. So of course I can understand Telugu, but not so fluent. Apologies for that, Teja brother. But do subscribe, okay? Telugu, Tamil, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, everything is like brother sister languages, right? I mean, once you know one language, you should be able to interpret other languages as well, right? I'm no way connected with HT, but still staying here only because, oh, thank you so much. Love you so much, Sugandhi. You're a beautiful soul, you know what? Because, you know what? You are creating a lot of difference. Because people stay because they are getting something out of it, right? Especially the content or anything. But here, you just stay because like you love the energy, right? I believe in energy. I believe in positivity. I believe in affirmations. I believe in law of attraction, right? So these are something really really important, and when you choose energy over anything, that makes a lot of difference, Thank you so much. Love you, Suganti. Hope we stay connected all the time, and you teach me Hindi, you teach me English, you teach me Tamil. Okay, my Tamil is getting deteriorated day by day. ரொம்ப நல்லா பேசிட்டு இருந்த தமிழ், அதுக்கப்புறம் இங்கே வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் தமிழ் பேசுகிற அவசியம் வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியாயிருச்சு. ஸோ அதனால் நான் உண்மையிலேயே தமிழ் நல்லா தான் பேசுகிறேனா, இல்லை நம்ம தமிழ் வந்து கம்மியாயிடுச்சா? சில டைம் வார்த்தைகளை தேடுறோமோ, கலந்து கலந்து பேசுகிறோமோ, ஏன்னா ஆங்கில வார்த்தையோட கலந்து நிறைய வாட்டி பேசுகிறேன். அப்போ எனக்கே வந்து கொஞ்சம் கூச்சமாக இருக்கு. என்ன நம்ம இவ்வளோ கலக்கிறோமே, இவ்வளோ அடல்ட்ரேஷன் தேவையா? அதுவும் நம்மளோட தாய்மொழியாச்சே அப்படின்ற மாதிரிலாம் தோணும். ஸோ டெஃபினெட்லி ஐ டோன்ட் நோ ஹவ் யூ கேன் ஹெல்ப், பட் இஃப் யூ கேன் ஹெல்ப் மீ பி பெட்டர் ஆன் தமிழ், Hindi especially, right? And if you can do that, super happy. Okay, your sound is good like a singer, so I'm oh, thank you so much. Love you so much. Jovi Shanto, thanks bro. Mapla, hi தேங்காய் திருடன். இன்னும் நீங்கள் பேரை மாத்திர பார்த்தீங்களா? தேங்காய் திருடன் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? தேங்காய் திருடன். Hi bro, how are you? I like your sense of humor. Very outspoken, and thanks for some good advice on good eating habits. Thank you. Love you so much. City Hawa Yusuf, is it right? Am I pronouncing your name right? City Hawa Yusuf. Fantastic. Name is really unique, Yeah. Suman Raj, brother, most of hair serums, I can see the below agents present in it. Does it really help? Does it really helps in hair growth? Redensil, Anagen, Procapil, Aminaxil. You know what? All these are really a good agents that really help you to increase the condition of your hair, but it may not help you increase the density of your hair. I have used all the serums. Not only this, you say Anagen, Capaxil, Procapil, Redensil, caffeine, melatonin, and whatnot. There are so many serums that I've used. None of the serums help me to improve my density, but it kept my hair conditioned. So, for example, my hair is not conditioned. I'm not using any serums. Okay, my hair is not conditioned. My hair has got density, but you know what? My hair looks little dry. My hair is lacking few things still. Okay, these serums, right, like Anagen, Capaxil, Redensil, will give me that particular nourishment. Okay, when you look at my hair, it will look so nourished. Okay, that is something that I can expect from these serums. But if you ask me whether it will control my hair fall, whether it is going to improve my density, no. Ta 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 8K had sent something, but he has reverted back. Can you sing a song for me, because I want to hear a song on your voice? Can you? Anubhav, you're putting me on spot. I'm a very bad singer, terrible singer. Okay, trust me. Once I start singing, all the 30 plus people who are watching this live will run away. Okay, so I don't want to do that. I want to stay connected with you. For that sake, I'm gonna refrain myself singing. But if you want to hear me, you can contact me on WhatsApp or Instagram. You know what? I can record my voice. I can record a song for you, and I can send it to you. Okay. Got used to Nikki. Sir, he is chatting with you and his girlfriend. Oh, is it? I didn't know that. I don't see Stuaniki's. Where is Stuaniki? Did I miss his messages? This is lovely, guys. I mean, I don't know, man. Okay, sure, brother. You speak Telugu. Oh, is it? Do I speak like a native Telugu speaker? I don't know. But yeah, teach me Telugu. Some of our subscribers have promised me that they will be teaching Telugu, but they did not teach Telugu, okay, till this point in time. But anyone who's willing to teach me Malayalam, who is willing to teach me Telugu, Kannada, please do reach out to me because I want to make content in these languages. There are so many subscribers of us who speak this language, despite not knowing Tamil, or some people do not understand English as well for that matter. They still watch our video. They try to interpret it. But if I'm able to make videos in Malayalam or Telugu or Kannada, right, directly, it is going to be super helpful for them, right? I know it's not an easy task to learn a language at this age, but you know what? Nothing is possible. Nothing is impossible, right? So I'm gonna I'm gonna take a chance. I will also start using AI. I was thinking, should I re-upload my videos in Telugu, right, using AI features? Um, but I don't know whether it will have that essence. But in future videos, at least, like I would like to really make videos in multiple languages. Nikhil, so Stu Nikhil is acknowledging that he is talking to me and his girlfriend parallelly. Santosh, not phone. Why, Santosh? We found you now. You missed my comments. Oh, Stu Nikhil, seriously? What is that comment, man? How did I miss? I have not forced you, but it's okay. No, absolutely, Anu. Don't worry. I say again, if you want, reach out to me on my WhatsApp or Instagram. I'm gonna sing a song for you. So just 5 minutes, I will come back. She's calling. Just give. Oh, and you know what? Stu Nikki is like preferring or like giving priority to his girl over our channel. No, too bad. Too bad, Stu Nikki. But I love you, brother. Yeah, don't get into trouble. Your girl is more important than this channel, right? Else, like the peace in your life will be messed up. Is it? Is it not? Due to cold and fever, can't join on time. Anyways, oh, Stella, please do care, buddy. Please do take care of you. Stella is an amazing teacher. Again, she's helping a lot of kids, and I want really Stella to be back, and Stella, get better soon. Let us know if you need any help. But yeah, sleep tight. It's too late, I believe, and despite having cold and fever, you have joined. That shows how much respect you got for me. Thank you so much. Love you, Stella. Okay. I don't know if you remember me or not, but we have oh, nice. Santosh not found. You know what? We have so many friends, so because of which I might be missing, and my memory is too bad. Too bad. So Santosh not found. Next time, I'm not missing you. Okay. No, sir. Friends like you are more. Nobody. No, no. Absolutely fine, Stepan. No matter what, you will come. Boys are boys, man. Yeah, relationship is completely different. So if you want to take that call, definitely take that call. We can meet next time as well, Stepan. Okay. Nothing so important. Okay, I'm going to get back to our initial topic. We started with donor damage. I've seen my friends who are impacted too because of donor damage. Only one reason, right? You choose the right clinic. If you're not able to choose the right clinic, avoid getting hair transplant done. Hair transplant is not a joke. Once you get your hair transplant done, there might be certain repercussions, there might be certain side effects which cannot be reversed as well. Okay? So don't rush. It's okay. You waited this long. You have handled your baldness for last 5 years, 10 years. Nothing will happen in next 1 or 2 months. Wait for it. Do proper analysis. Take feedback from the patients who did hair transplant from that clinic, from that institution. Then set your expectations properly with the clinic. After that, get your hair transplant done. I see people really get so agitated. When I say agitated, they are so anxious to get the hair transplant done. They want to transform themselves so badly, so quickly. They get stuck with the wrong clinic. Please don't do that. Friends and family, this is my kind request. I'm very, very cared about your life, care about your transformation because I also post videos on this line. I don't want anyone to be deceived on any of this regard. Please take time. It's absolutely fine. 1, 2, 3, 6 months, still fine. But when you are getting hair transplant done, choose the right clinic. Else you will regret. Even I may not be able to help you. Even the best of dermatologists, dermatosurgeons, maxillofacial surgeons will not be able to help you. I have went to my specialist. I went to solve few conditions like cobblestoning, donor damage, over extractions, sometimes like necrotizing facilities. They said that, hey, Amir, I'm sorry, I cannot treat this. Hey, Amir, sorry, this is beyond a condition that can be treated. No, brothers and sisters, friends and family, please, please choose the right clinic. Long hair transplant, yes, it is possible, Sharath. Of course, it is possible. There are so many clinics who are getting the hair transplant done without shaving your head. It is possible. Brother, what's your opinion about exosomes? You know what? I was talking to one of the experts. Her name was Akila. I don't want to reveal the clinic as of now. I want to talk to her, understand what exactly they are trying to do. She mentioned that they do a proper root cause analysis. They try to help you come out of your medical conditions. They help you battle that root cause, okay, fix that root cause, address that root cause. And on parallel, they are also giving you or putting you on exosomes, okay. So when this is done, right, they are very confident they will grow back good number of hairs, good number of hairs where there are dormant follicles, and the density is improving to 2x or 3x, okay. She's been talking to me for the last 1 week. I couldn't really review and come out with any videos, but I'm gonna do that. Exosomes is good, but before you going on to the cycle of getting the exosomes done, please make sure that you identify your root cause. If you're not identifying the root cause, don't get your exosomes done. Okay? Hello, thank you so much, Stella. Love you so much. Blue, yellow, green. I don't know the meaning of these hearts. Only thing I know is love. Okay, heart means love. I know people interpret or give a categorization, or what do you call it, for each of these colors. I have no idea what exactly it is, but thank you so much. Love you so much. Lisa Maria, hi, I'm from Kerala. First time watching this channel. May I know you about this channel? Lisa Maria, thank you so much. Congratulations in joining our family. I hope you have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. This channel is to enlighten people about the hair transplantation. I started with hair transplant, but then I started speaking about hair loss, hair fall, skin, dental, and so many other things. And this particular cosmetic industry is revolving around getting money from people. This is a money minting industry, and there are so many scams that is happening. So I'm trying to enlighten all of you and what to embrace and what to not. I'm not a medical expert. I'm not someone who can give any professional advices, but I can definitely give you advices based upon the feedback that we have received. We have 35,000 plus subscribers in YouTube. We have got close to 100k plus subscribers in Instagram as well. So I get a lot of feedbacks every day. I get at least like 300 400 messages every day. So based upon all the feedback, I'm like a mini Google review. You know what? Google reviews are paid these days, but the reviews that is coming to us, right, from our family, from our friends, from our brothers, they never lie. Okay, I'm just trying to pass on all the feedback to you, and wherever I feel that some certain things to be taken care, I make sure that I take care using my YouTube channel. Hope it gives you some clarity, but let me know, Lisa Maria, if in case you need anything from my side. Bro, age 20, dandruff is absolutely, dandruff is something, it comes for people who are really young, it comes for people who are really old and bald as well. So dandruff is something very inevitable in the current living conditions. Do HFT treatment, high frequency therapy. That's one clinical treatment that might help you. On top of it, you can use shampoos like ketoconazole shampoo, salicylic acid, coal tar, or like zinc pyrethrin. These are some of the antifungal elements that helps you to fight the dandruff use. வணக்கம் அனிஷ்மா, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க அனிஷ்மா? I'm using Regenerate shampoo after HT, which is given by the clinic. And from now, what kind of shampoo can I use after HT? Actually, it's been 3 months. And how many days can I take head shower? I think it's been 3 months. Then you can get onto the regular cycle of your taking shower, whatever it be. If you ask me, it all depends upon your work nature. Let's say if you are someone who stays home, wash your hair twice a day, sorry, not twice a day. I mean, uh, do it like 2 day once, right? If you are like, I mean, someone like who go does some outdoor works where you get a lot of dust accumulated, sweat and whatnot, right? So many other things that I think you have to at least wash your head daily or like twice a day, okay, morning and evening, so that you don't um, get those dust accumulated in your hair. Okay, so these are few things that you may have to do, and yeah, I think you should be all right. But there is no specific frequency or a regular cycle limit that has been set for the shower buddy. Okay, bro, kindly suggest the alternative solution of minoxidil which gives the same no, there are no solution. Minoxidil is minoxidil, that's highly potent, but it has got some side effects too. I could start using minoxidil to improve my density, but I'm not gonna do that because minoxidil has some side effects. But if in case it is required, I'm gonna do that. You can always take your dermatologist suggestions. Oh, you know what? One thing that I have to do immediately.
Ah, okay. Now I'm not speaking on mic. Tell me if I'm audible. If I'm audible, if my voice is so clear, we will continue. Else, we will log off and we'll start a new live tomorrow or day after. Tell me. Because my phone has been running low on charge and I just realized that it is now in 1%. Tell me, guys, if my voice is really audible, I'm going to continue this live. Else, we're going to end it and we're going to start a new live maybe in a week's time or a day or a couple of days. I don't know when, but definitely I'm happy to help. You can always reach out to me. If in case you want to talk to me directly, this is my number. Hey, Chandrika, you're still there, but you were not messaging. So bad, Sai. Okay, I thought you left already, Sai. Thank you so much, buddy. It's too late in India. Definitely, I mean, happy weekday, Monday, right? You're going to go do an amazing job this week, Sai. But I asked about your shampoo. Can I use can I use could use please before ending your life? Shampoo can I use could you I did not get it. So if you're asking about the shampoos, you can use any shampoo. Make sure that that's silicone free, that's sulfate free to be precise, right? So sulfate is a chemical that is a good cleansing agent, but at times it cleanses all the sebum that is required for your scalp, and your overall pH value of your scalp gets messed up. Because of which I feel like okay, you have to use sulfate rich shampoos whenever it is required. Use sulfate rich shampoos weekly once, otherwise use chemical free shampoos, which is sulfate free shampoos, at least like twice or thrice in a week. I think that makes more sense. Same pinch, Suganti Shankar. Thank you so much. Love you so much. Same pinch சொல்றாங்க. Bye bye. கண்டிப்பா. Thank you so much, சுகந்தி. ரொம்ப லேட் ஆயிடுச்சு. கண்டிப்பா எனக்கு ஹிந்தி சொல்லித்தாங்க. ஹிந்தில இன்னும் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் நம்ம போடலாம். சரிங்களா? Audible sir. Thank you so much, Divya, for confirming it. Safwan, Safu. Yeah, you are audible. Thank you so much, Safwan. I think Safwan is from Kerala, I believe. Correct? నాటిల్ ఎవడ Safwan? Okay, dokie, guys. What else? Are there anything specifically that you want to know from this live which I can help? Do let me know. Happy to support. If there is nothing, then we will wind this up. Okay, and I know it's too late in India, man. Okay, right? No? Yes? Tada, 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 tada. What do you think? Sir, as a friend, the only best gift I can give you is that there is a famous book called The Superhuman Code. Oh, is it? I'm gonna read that. Recently, I've stopped reading books. Okay, maybe I'm not getting time. I give a lot of excuses to myself why I'm not reading books. I'm gonna search for that book today. Probably I'll try to start reading it. Superhuman Code. Thank you for suggesting. 12:30. Oh, okay, guys who are on live, please make sure that you have subscribed already. If not, please do subscribe. Okay. And if you have subscribed, please do like this. Okay, there is no harm in clicking that like button. Okay, that will help me, that will help you, that will help the entire society. Okay, and their community as well. Yeah. Tada tada tada. I don't know. Seriously, you know what? I do not know which language I have to stick. எனக்கு தமிழ்ல பேசுறதா, ஹிந்தில பேசுறதா, இல்ல இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுறதான்னு தெரியல. நம்மளோட லைவ் வந்து மாறிக்கிட்டே இருக்கு ஆக்சுவலா இல்லையா? ஒவ்வொரு லாங்குவேஜா மாறிக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. சம்டைம்ஸ் நம்ம ரொம்ப இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுறப்பயும் வந்து சில தமிழ்ல பேசுவாரு அப்படின்னு எதிர்பார்த்து வர சில ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கு புரியாது. सिल टाइम मैंने हिंदी पेसोम जब मैं हिंदी बात करता हूँ जो भी लोग को हिंदी पता नहीं है स्पेशली साउथ इंडियन स्पेशली चेन्नई से जो भी है उनको हिंदी न समझ नहीं आता है वो लोग थोड़ा सा फिक्र करते हैं आहा ये क्या बात करते हैं ये क्योंकि मैं तमिल एक्सपेक्ट करके आया था पर इधर हिंदी पे ही बोलते हैं लोग बोल के मे बी थोड़ा सा डिसअपॉइंट होने का चांसेस है और व्हेन आई स्पीक इन इंग्लिश आई गेट कैरिड अवे राइट सो Telugu Superhumans channel latest second video. Telugu Superhumans channel latest second video. I don't know what exactly it is to Aniki, but yeah, Telugu Superhumans channel. Okay. What is the channel name, by the way? Okay, guys. It's 70 minutes. Okay, I'll talk to Stu Aniki separately. He's a very good friend of mine. He should be able to help me if in case I'm lacking something. But love you so much. Stay happy, spread happiness. This week is going to be an amazing week. And pray for me, wish for me. There are so much of ups and downs in my life as well. So definitely, I want you guys to remember me in your prayers. Okay, promise me that. Channel name is Telugu Superhuman. Telugu Superhuman. Okay, that's the channel, is it? Okay. I'm gonna watch it. Take care, stay safe. Thank you so much. Love you so much. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Bye.